So that's it with our Google Analytics customization check module. We dived into how to customize the Google Analytics installation even further towards the client's website. And we talked about event tracking, which can be really, really powerful, especially when it comes to interactions or key actions that you want to track on your client's website. And we talked about how to install them, and there are really two ways, of manually or through Google Tag Manager, which makes it much easier. Then we talked about the enhanced e-commerce tracking. E-commerce tracking, very important because it attaches valuable data to the conversion data that we get through Google Analytics. And enhanced e-commerce tracking, a newer feature that really needs a lot of custom implementation onto your site to bring useful data to your e-commerce installation. But from my experience, it's really worth it going through that pain. And last but not least, we talked about dashboard and reports, how to install them to your account and then share them out to your client, and the solutions gallery that is attached to Google Analytics, which lets you import templates from other Google Analytics users out there, which can be already a very good starting point to bring custom dashboards and reports to your client's account. Now, the actions that I want you to take is, first of all, read the post by Anna Lewis from Kozai about event tracking. And she'll give you a little bit of an overview on what events are mostly tracked within Google Analytics and if they make sense for your client. Then get into doing it yourself. Create an event in a link and then test that onto your site and see if it shows up in the real-time reporting. And go into Google Analytics and look at the solutions gallery and find useful reports that you might want to install that you find interesting, just to get an overview on how those reports work and how the import works through the solution gallery. And lastly, let's discuss in our discussion sections, do you have a hard time customizing your Google Analytics installation? I can give you much more tips if you just ask. And let's also share if you have experience with what you find important and to customize when installing Google Analytics.